Chapter 5. The Human Body. One of the God's unique creation is human being. He is different from other creatures. Do you know why is he different? This is because he has a brain. Brain helps man to think, to judge what is wrong and what is right. The human body is composed of many parts. Each part has its own function. Some of the main parts of human body are head, eyes, ear, tongue, stomach, arm, thumb, hand, fingers, leg, foot. Functions performed by body parts. Mouth helps us to eat, drink, sing, and speak. Teeth help us to chew our food. Hands help us to hold things. Knee helps us to bend. Legs help us in walking and running. Head contains brain, which controls all the activities of body. Each part of our body is important. All the body parts, when put together, make up a complete human being. We differ from others. We all have similar bodies. Still, we look different because we have different body structure. Some of us are thin, some are fat, some are tall, and some are short. Sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs. They help us to sense things around us. Eyes help us to see. We can see different colors, shapes, and sizes with our eyes. Ears help us to hear. We can hear different sounds with our ears. Nose helps us to smell. It also helps us to breathe. Tongue helps us in tasting. It also helps us to speak. Skin helps us to feel. We feel hot and cold, smooth and rough with our skin. Growth. All living things grow. A child grows into adult. Growth is continuous. Good food is necessary for growth. A baby grows into a child, then to an adolescent, and then to an adult. Tips to have a clean and healthy body. Brush your teeth every morning and at night. Have a bath every day. Keep your ears and nose clean. Comb your hair properly. Get your nails cut once a week. Wash your hands before and after eating. Also, clean your mouth after eating.